Lots of YouTube news. Let's take a look. All right, well, this is from CNBC.com. Google's YouTube illegally collects children's data, privacy groups claim. YouTube, one of the world's most popular websites, has been accused of improperly collecting the personal data of young children. In a complaint filed to the Federal Trade Commission, FTC, on Monday, a coalition of more than 20 advocacy, consumer, and privacy groups claimed that Google's video platform is violating U.S. child protection laws by collecting personal data on users aged less than 13 years old. I have mixed feelings about this. Perhaps YouTube can do more, but it seems like a majority of this responsibility falls on the parents to teach their kids all about the ins and outs, the good and evils of the internet. I don't know. What do you guys think about this? I have mixed feelings about this one. A feel-good story from NBC News. Tuition money flows in for a man who aided YouTube shooting victim and wants to work his way up in life. A college tuition fund for the YouTube shooting Good Samaritan who aided one of the victims has raised $24,000 according to a GoFundMe page. Someone, Michael, who works at Carl's Jr.'s across the street from YouTube headquarters in San Bruno, California, was working at the restaurant. And he helped someone. A woman who was shot in the leg escaped to the restaurant, and this gentleman, Michael Finney, grabbed the bungee cord and wrapped the leg, shot in the leg. Yeah, she was shot in the leg, wrapped it tightly above the victim's calf until paramedics arrived. A Google employee reportedly launched a GoFundMe campaign after hearing that Finney was working to save money for college tuition. Wow. Carl's Jr. CEO Jason Marker also made a contribution to the fund, pushing it past the original goal of $10,000. And according to him, Mike Finney was a hero at the YouTube shooting, so someone set up a GoFundMe for his tuition. The goal was $10,000, but college ain't cheap, so our CEO Jason Marker decided to make it twice as nice. There you go. A feel-good story in the midst of horror. Well, a little bit more hacker news from motherboard.device.com. Hackers defaced the world's most viewed YouTube video. One of the most bizarre incidents at YouTube, the most popular video of all time briefly disappeared. This is from a video called Despacito from Luis Fonsi and Daddy Yankee. I never heard of him, so maybe you guys can tell me what this is all about. I don't have a clue. All right, well, that's all I have for this daily tech brief. I'll catch you on the next one, so ciao.